Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at an offering that was sent out to me to take a look at. Knowing that many of you, like myself, use a lot of these action cameras as a part of your workflow, or maybe you're using a phone as a part of your workflow as well, having one of these little selfie sticks, believe it or not, will really expand your capabilities of being able to create and capture some very unique shots. Now, this specific model does come with a few accessories. One of the accessories that come along with it is the mount that you will need for your GoPro. And this is all metal, which you guys can see here. And that's just going to mount right here on the top. This does come with the little end cap that you can remove. And that is going to give you a quarter 20. And here's quarter 20 on this guy. And these just marry up really easily, just like that. Now, what's unique about this system is this is a kind of a ratchet style system. Basically, what that means is you would pull this out to whatever length that you want it to be, and then you would rotate it to lock it in place. And once you do that, now that is locked in place, and then to release it, you just do the opposite and it frees it up. Now, if you look really, really closely here, you guys can see where that little indent is there. So when you rotate that, that just kind of sinks in like so, and then it's locked in place. Now, the version that I have here is the 33 centimeter variant. Now, the 33 centimeter variant will give you up to 200 centimeters when it's fully deployed. Now, it also comes with a metal screw, and those of you who use GoPros are going to be very familiar with this, but this one is all metal, and that's just going to fit right in here. And that's what you're going to use for securing your GoPro. So let's go ahead and throw this GoPro on here so you guys can see exactly what that looks like. I'm just going to lock that guy on there like so. And then if you're using one of the cages, these are built where you can just screw this in and you shouldn't have any problems. You guys get the idea. So yeah, this is designed to work with your action cameras, with your smartphones, or these small compact cameras. All of those devices will work with this little selfie stick. All right, guys, so hopefully this video has been helpful to some of you out there, my little content creators, aspiring filmmakers. This is an excellent carbon fiber selfie stick. So if you're looking for something to extend your reach when it comes to your productions, or maybe you're just doing a party and you want to be able to get the camera up high above everyone else, this is going to be, again, an excellent little camera accessory that is rock solid carbon fiber. This guy is a win. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.